All right, first sneak peek at the new Don't Tread on Me Sons of Liberty gi. Pete hasn't even seen this yet, so let's go out and see what his response is going to be. Fall. He's working on the addition out here. Hey Pete,
Yo,
first look here. First look, tell me what you think.
man, you got to respect the gi.
Look at that. That's
Oh,
sexy.
that looks awesome. So this is my my special one with the dragon weave.
It is.
Damn, that is freaking nice. What's this, a Facebook post? Holy crap. Man.
That's nice. Not gonna lie, kind
The
of.
gray looks wicked nice on it.
I like that.
With the waistband in gray,
Yeah.
and the collar in gray.
I agree.
Wow.
See?
Yeah, that's
Can't
like
even grip it. Can't even grip it.
that's like a 6-lane highway right there.
I know. Perfectly straight.
That is sweet, dude. Man, I love it. Looks so good. Thanks, guys.
Now
It's not my birthday.
Yeah,
but-
I know. Now we just need an A3.
Yeah. Sweet. I like it.
I guess I'll just have to wait 2 weeks when everyone else can buy theirs.
Yeah, all right. Oh, I'm sure we can work something out.